Welcome back to Car Review. Ladies and gentlemen, picture this. The iconic Plymouth GTX, a name that once roared through the streets during the golden age of muscle cars, reborn in 2025 with a stunning fusion of heritage and modern innovation. The 2025 Plymouth GTX isn't just a car. It's a bold statement, a rolling tribute to American muscle, and a nod to a bygone era when power was king, yet now infused with the sophistication of the future. This modern masterpiece exudes a commanding presence, with its chiseled body lines paying homage to the classic GTX silhouette. Its front fascia, adorned with a bold grille and piercing LED headlights, exudes aggression and elegance in equal measure. Wide muscular haunches hint at the immense power that lies beneath the hood, while sleek aerodynamic touches deliver a sense of purpose and performance. Underneath, a choice of powertrains awaits the enthusiast's heart. A beastly supercharged V8 engine channels over 700 horsepower to the rear wheels, rekindling the raw, tire-shredding spirit of the original. For those seeking a more modern twist, an advanced hybrid option seamlessly combines electrification with muscle, offering exhilarating acceleration with an eco-conscious edge. But the 2025 Plymouth GTS is more than just nostalgia. It's a reinvention of an icon for the modern age. Whether cruising the highway or stealing the spotlight at a car show, this muscle car is a celebration of timeless design and unmatched performance. It is proof that legends never die. They evolve, captivating hearts and igniting passions for generations to come. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting car reviews and content. See you next time.